Alright, so today we're going to do an oil change on a 2006 Toyota Tacoma. Just a few things you need. 14mm socket, some kind of oil wrench. Recommend a OEM Toyota oil filter. $5 from the dealership, not bad. Also want to get yourself a new gasket for the drain plug, 98 cents. Some tubing would be optimal, but I have the wrong size. You need about a 5/16 ID tubing. I got the wrong one. And we're switching up to some Mobil 1 high mileage synthetic. Let's get this started. Alright, you don't need to take the cover off to do this. I just did it so we could see in here a little better. Since I don't have the right hose to drain this, I'm just going to take a water bottle and see if we can't make a mess anywhere here. That should do the trick. Next you want to get your oil wrench. Get that in here. Pull that bad boy off. And we're just going to unscrew this bad boy. Alright, looks like the water bottle's working pretty good there. Next I'm going to get a little clean rag and kind of clean this all up down here. Alright, looks pretty good. And these, so we get a good view of this. Here's your factory OEM Toyota oil filter. Comes pre-lubed. It's pretty nice. Careful not to cross-thread it when you're putting it on. We're just going to cinch this down. Hand tight, and that should be good to go with that. Alright, next what we want to do here is pop this drain plug off, which is welded on. Let that oil drain out. Get that old gasket off of there. Alright, and we're back. We got the oil drained out. A little wipe off, any debris off there. You want to get your new drain plug and go ahead and put your new washer on there. The torque on these is 30 foot-pounds. If you got a torque wrench, great. If not, just use some feel. Alright, that looks about 30. Alright, next I want to remove your fill cap here on the driver's side. And then fill her up. I'm going to put about 5 quarts in here, start it up, and see where we're at. And go ahead and reinstall your cap. We're going to start it up and run it for a few, let that oil circulate around, and we'll go over here to our dipstick and see where we're at. Alright, now we started it up, let it run for a while, and check this dipstick and see where we're at. And it looks like we're right where we need to be. Perfect. Alright, and now that I'm switching over to high mileage, I'm going to do my oil changes at 4,500 mile intervals, which coincide with the scheduled maintenance light, so you want to reset that. To do that, hold down your reset thing and turn your ignition on. And hold it till you get a few flashes here. It should go to 0, 0, 0, and you're done. Perfect. That's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it's helpful. Catch you later.